Trademark database is the USPTO database, but it's kind of tricky because there's all these rules, laws and rules. And then the patents, you can be knocked out of the running for a patent by a patent anywhere in the whole world. So we have proprietary databases that look at patents all over the world.
And you probably take a lot of the guesswork out of trying to patent something yourself, because I can imagine that's pretty timely, and if you're not an expert, you might be doing the wrong thing. So
Yeah, that usually happens if someone tries to do it themselves.
Well,
imagine.
we have heard of success stories out there, and if somebody really, can't afford legal representation, and this is the only chance they've got, it may not be a bad alternative. But the intellectual property system is very complicated. There's all sorts of rules, and there's all sorts of case law interpreting the patents and the trademarks and the copyrights and the trade secrets. So you really have to have the benefit of this background knowledge to make sure that what you're doing is going to hold up if it ever gets challenged for some reason. If you ever have to pursue somebody in court, or if you want to sell the intellectual property, if you want to sell your business, then the people who are buying the business are going to have lawyers on the other side. They're going to look at the intellectual property. If it doesn't look good, if it doesn't meet professional standards, then it's not going to have much value. So if you can't afford it, it's usually better to get a professional involved to make sure that things turn out right.
yeah, it makes a lot